Hello, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Sandesh, currently preparing for the PLEP exams. While preparing for the exams, I have found a lot of conditions and diseases which are difficult to remember. So I have made few mnemonics for it. In this video, I will tell you the heart murmurs mnemonics. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that there are two types of murmurs. The number one is systolic and the number second is diastolic. And there are four areas where we can auscultate these murmurs. The mnemonic of which is all physicians take money. All for aortic, P for pulmonary, T for tricuspid, M for mitral valve. On the right hand side, second intercostal space, we will auscultate the aortic disease like aortic regurgitation or aortic stenosis. On the left hand side, similar to area of the aortic valve, there is pulmonary valve where we auscultate pulmonary stenosis and pulmonary regurgitation. The same rule applies to the tricuspid and the mitral valve. Up to this, we have found there are four areas and two types of murmurs, and the mnemonic to remember which type of murmur is Mr. Sandesh. So M for mitral and R for regurgitation, S for systolic and Sandesh. Uh, so mitral regurgitation murmur is systolic type, which is where we auscultate it on the fifth intercostal space mid-external line, which is also known as the apex of the heartbeat. If examiner asks you, we are auscultating murmurs on the apex of heart, so we have two types of disease, either mitral regurgitation and mitral stenosis. So systolic type of murmur is present in the regurgitation, and the stenosis murmur of mitral stenosis will have the diastolic type of murmur. So as you know that mitral and tricuspid valve both close at the same time. So both have the same type of murmurs. Mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis will have the diastolic murmur, and mitral regurgitation and tricuspid regurgitation have a systolic murmur. It means both valves and both conditions have same types of murmur. If mitral valve and tricuspid valve are in the diastolic or systolic condition, the opposite rule applies to the aortic and pulmonary valve. If mitral regurgitation have systolic type of murmur, which also applies to tricuspid regurgitation, which also is systolic murmur, the opposite rule applies to the aortic and pulmonary area, and they both will be in the diastolic condition. So aortic regurgitation and the pulmonary regurgitation both have the diastolic type of murmur. Okay, and after that, the same rule applies to the opposite side. If mitral regurgitation have systolic type of murmur, so mitral stenosis have diastolic type of murmur, along with tricuspid stenosis, which also has a diastolic type of murmur. If both these valves, mitral and tricuspid valve, both are in diastolic conditions, and so aortic and pulmonary stenosis, they will be in the systolic conditions. After that, there are few addition points. Like examiner will tell you that this murmur is radiating to the axilla or carotid artery. So in the aortic stenosis, the murmur is systolic, that will radiate to the carotid artery upward. And in mitral regurgitation, there will be a thrill present and radiating the axilla. Up to this, I hope you all understand the heart murmurs. And a lot of times you have to in a questions you have to first find out that which area examiner is stating, like on the right hand side second intercostal space, there are only two possibilities, either this is aortic stenosis and aortic regurgitation. After that, you have to find out that which type of murmur, either this is systolic, any of which, either ejection systolic, late systolic, it should be systolic. If the on the right hand side, if there is systolic murmur, it means there is aortic area present, means aortic condition, and systolic murmur, so the condition will be aortic stenosis. So in this way, you will answer your BCQ or questions within 20 seconds. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, so comment down in this video. I will try to resolve it. That's all. Thank you very much.